Hey gardeners, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to pruning your plants. From why pruning is important to quick techniques you can use right away. Let's jump in and make your garden thrive. Pruning isn't just about keeping your plants in shape. It helps them grow better, flower more, and even produce more fruit. When you remove dead or diseased branches, your plant can focus its energy on new, healthy growth. Plus, it improves air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. And don't forget, pruning can keep your plants looking neat and tidy. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools. Bypass pruners for small branches, loppers for thicker stems, and a pruning saw for larger cuts. Timing is key. For spring-blooming plants, prune them right after they finish blooming. For summer bloomers like roses, prune in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. This timing helps to maximize flowering and keep your plants healthy. Here are 3 quick pruning techniques to keep your garden in tip-top shape. Deadheading. Remove spent flowers to encourage more blooms. Perfect for roses and annuals. Thinning. Cut back entire stems or branches to open up the center of the plant for better airflow. This is great for dense shrubs. Heading cuts prune back part of a branch to control the shape and direction of growth. Use this for shrubs and small trees. Avoid these common mistakes when pruning. Don't prune too close to the main stem. Leave a small stub to help the plant heal. Don't over-prune. Removing more than 1/3 of a plant's size at once can stress it out. Always clean your tools before and after use to prevent spreading diseases. And that's it! Now you're ready to tackle any pruning task in your garden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening guides. Happy pruning, and see you next time!